What's up, guys? We got a 2010 Mazda CX-7. The headlights are blown. Customer went and got me a bulb. H7 is the bulb size. And as you can see, one bulb is working, the other one's not. So the procedure is same for both of them. What I want to do is first I want to turn off the light. I'm going to show you guys how to replace that passenger side front headlight bulb. So what we're going to do is, to work on this, it's a little bit tight, but the procedure is the same. You might have to take off this cover on this box here. But what you want to do is, you want to simply go in here, right here. Let me show you. This is the headlight. So all I'm doing is I'm going right here. Let me just go around this little guy right there. So what you want to do is, there's a connector back there. You want to grab that connector, and you want to take off that connector. It should be very simple to do so. And let me just show you guys. Once it's out, you could tackle the same job from the back. You know what? It's a little difficult, but let's take off this boot here. This boot is jammed onto this little guy, so I'm gonna go get probably a plier or a flathead screwdriver. So when it got me something, I'm gonna go around this again. Flathead screwdriver will do, but this is the closest thing that was nearby. All you need to do is push this little guy, this boot off, and because usually this boot will make its own grip, and it won't come out so easy. And once this boot comes off, you should be able to push it back. And if you can get that connector off first, like I can't even freaking put my hand on it. It's not so hard to do, but let's see if it come out. Okay, let's see if this baby can come out. And what we're gonna do is, I'm definitely gonna try to get that connector off. Okay, I'm gonna definitely try to get that connector off. So I'm gonna just yank on the connector really hard, pull back on it. That's all you need to do. Look at that, I got it off. Pull back on it really hard, it comes off. And now I should be able to, okay, this boot freaking found its way back. And okay, so I'm gonna go off one more time off this boot. We're gonna push this boot off. Once you get that connector off, this boot should simply come off very easy. Okay, this is like a little cover. It prevents water and stuff to get in there, and that's all this is. The baby comes off. Let me just fix this guy. That's how it should be. So now, there's small little tabs on this bulb. You need to push on those tabs. It's gonna be about. Let me just show you guys what's in there so you can see. Even my camera can see. You see those little metal plates there? You need to push and get them out of there. And it should have released the bulb for you. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna push on this little guy, and see, it releases the bulb for you just like that. It's only one side, and your bulb should come out. So when you pull out this bulb, just pay attention to how you got the bulb. Do not let it go. So the bulb has this little housing in the back. So all you have to do is pull out this little housing. But remember, this bulb, this little slot was right there, so make sure you get it back on the same spot. So all you need to do now is, with one hand, I'm probably not going to be able to work with it that good. So let me see if I can put my camera down here somewhere and do some magic work on this baby. So right here is lit pretty good. So all I'm going to do here is, I'm going to get this guy off. And I'm going to get the new bulb. This is how simple it is to take that off. This guy just comes right off. I'm going to just put this somewhere safe. Okay, I got my bulbs under my camera, so I'm going to have to get that off. So right here is our new bulb. Let me get this out of the packaging. Got some great work of art putting this all together. Okay. Come on. So try not to touch the lens part. So what you want to do is you just want to take this guy, stick it right back. It doesn't matter this way or that way, as long as you get it the correct way. It's only gonna go in one way. Doesn't matter if you put it this way. So let me take this apart. Again, you're only gonna be able to put it this way or that way, but it doesn't matter. Okay, this is not an LED bulb. So we're gonna put this baby back in there. Okay, here goes nothing. A long freaking video just for a bulb. But remember, this little notch was facing down in this angle. So I'm going to try to get it back in the same angle. There you go, I got it. And I'm gonna take the latch, and the latch should clip on, and the bulb should not move. You should not be, if you try to pull the bulb out, it should not come out no more. And our boot is next. The boot also keeps the bulb in place. So that's another good part about this little boot. And after that, you're just gonna simply take your connector and put your connector on. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we're gonna try the bulb on. Okay, moment of truth. Here goes nothing. There you go. Our lights are on. This is working, and that is working. It's really difficult with the camera there, but it should take you 5 minutes there and 5 minutes there. Even though this guy got cover here, just take off this fuse box cover. Just pull this tab, and this whole thing just comes off. There might be one more tab here, but this cover comes off. It'll give you pretty much the same amount of space here. You don't need a lot of space here, okay, to change that bulb. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.